In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design email in Klaviyo. To get started, open Klaviyo and look to the left side menu. This is where most of the email building tools are grouped together, so it is the fastest way to reach templates. When you are ready, click Content. After you click Content, you should see more options appear under that section. From there, click Templates. Take a moment here and make sure you are in the Templates area, because this is where Klaviyo stores ready-made email layouts that you can customize. Once you are inside Templates, you will see a list of available templates. Next, choose the template that you want to use. Pick something that matches the style and goal of the email you are creating, such as a simple promotional layout or a more structured marketing format. As you browse, you can usually recognize templates by their layout and design style. Choose the one that feels right for your message, and then proceed. Now that you have selected a template, the next step is to open it for editing. Look for the 3 dots icon, often shown next to the template name or in the template row. Click the 3 dots. This menu is important because it contains actions related to that specific template. It is basically your shortcut to editing and other template options. After you open that 3-dot menu, you will see several choices. From that menu, click Edit. This is the point where the template turns into your workspace. When you click Edit, Klaviyo will load the template builder, and you should now be looking at the email design interface. This is where you can customize everything to match your brand and your campaign. At this stage, you can design all you want now. You can adjust the content and layout so the email looks exactly the way you want it to. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with what is on the screen. You will generally be able to click elements directly and make changes where they appear. For example, if the template includes text sections or images, you can update those areas. If there are blocks that represent different parts of the email, you can rearrange or modify how they are presented. Designing in Klaviyo is meant to be flexible. The template provides a structure, and then your edits bring it to life. If you want the email to feel more personal or more on-brand, use the editor to update the text, formatting, and spacing. If the email includes placeholders, replace them with your actual message. If it includes visual sections, make sure they align with the tone of your campaign. Take your time here, because this is the part that determines how the final email will look to your subscribers. As you make changes, pay attention to how things are laid out across the design. Keep an eye on readability and overall structure. Make sure the sections flow logically and that your key message is easy to spot. This helps ensure that your design is not only attractive, but also clear and effective. When you are done adjusting the template to your satisfaction, you can proceed with your next email steps, such as reviewing and saving or moving towards sending. But the core action for designing the email is already complete. You selected a template, opened it, entered the editor, and customized the content in the builder. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.